All right, here's our game. I already moved the guys over here. Um, the fighters and everything, so it's all sitting in here. Um, I bought two subs, artillery and a miner. Okay, so all right, these two subs are going here. All right, this sub's coming down here. All right, so for Normandy, one tank, two infantry, and one artillery. I'll bring in one more infantry. All right. Paris. I'm going to bring in two tanks. One infantry, one artillery there. All right. VG. Okay, so I'm going to bring in these from Western Germany, two mechs, three more infantry in that. All right, for VG. I'm going to bring in two mechs from here. Oh, that's the Italian. Two mechs. I'm going to bring the fighter 1, 2, 3, or the attack bomber, and one tank. All right, so give me 4, 3, 2 twos, and hopefully that'll work. All right, so then I'm going to move in two more tanks into France. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. Yeah. You know what? I'm going to take this tank, put that in there, and I'll paradrop two guys, two infantry. All right. So hopefully, well, it's going to give me 4 ones though. Oh, I don't know about that. 4 ones and a 3. Yeah, I'll leave the tank. Yeah, I'll do it that way. I want to make sure, but I got to take France too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh. Boy, that hurts. Okay, this TAC fighter that was in Poland, but this TAC is going to go 1, 2, 3 into France. There's one left. All right, take a chance. All right, I'm going to bring in a fighter and attack into that. And I'll take a chance. I'm going to take a bomber and go 1, 2, 3 over to Normandy instead, and drop two guys off there. These two guys are going to France instead. Let's do that. Okay, so I think I got that packed. All right. Romania. These guys go into Romania. These will go into Romania. one guy go Romania is going to go this way to Bulgaria. I'll go ahead and bring in 2 tanks. Give me the little extra roll. And I can bring in another tank. Yeah, what the hell? I can bring everybody from Slovakia, Hungary for that one. All right. Okay. Let's see what happens. All right. That looks like the attacks. Okay. All right. So I got this laid out for the sea battle. Get this over with. Do the same thing. Keep my eyes closed on that. Oh, and that was almost a hit. Sorry, Bandit. It flipped over. Maybe if you rolled it, you probably have 3 hits. All right, so here's my attack. And 1, 2, 3, 4. I got it all. Let's see what you take with me. And you got 1 hit, so I will lose. I will lose the destroyer. That's fine with me. I don't need it. All right, so that battle is solved. Okay. All right, let's go over to finish all the ships. All right, so just throw this mess over there. I've got 2, and you've got 1. Okay. I miss. You miss. Miss. So you got 1 sub. Miss. And you got the other sub. Figures, you got 2 subs. All right, that survived. That was really good. All right, now do a target select on your cruiser. Maybe I'll get a hit there. No, figures. Not looking good. And you got a hit there. Fuck. Spam. Why didn't answer it? All right. Well, we started out real well. Did well here, but those 2 really sucked. All right. Let's do Normandy. All right. Tank, artillery, 3 1s. All right. So I got a tank, artillery, and 2 1s. Should be 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you got 3 2s. 1, 2. All right. One hit each, and you got another 2 coming. I didn't roll. And you got missed, so I lose 1 infantry. And you lose 1 infantry. All right. I got 3 hits. And you got 1 more, so I lost 2 infantry. All right. Delete. Delete. Germany. And these 3-year history. Delete. Okay. And the bomber is just going to go back to Western. Let's put him over there. Okay. All right. Next one is France. You get 2 AA shots. All right. Put them over here for now. And you missed them both. All right. So you have, I know for a fact, 8 2s. 8, 2 3s, and a 4. Yep. 6, 7, 8, 2 3s, and a 4. All right. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tanks. 4 tanks. 1 fighter. 1 tack. I got 2 artillery. All right, and I have 1. I'll pair them with the mechs. All right. Then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 infantry. There's 5, 6. All right, there's our dice. All right, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hits. And you got 4 hits. So you lose 7 infantry. Because you lost the AA. And you had 4 hits. At least 4. All right, next roll. You dead. I got 1 hit. At least 1 more infantry. All right, so I lost 5 infantry. All right, and you lose Paris. All right, that goes to Germany. That battle is done. And these all had probably 1 left, so they're going into Western. Okay. All right, Vichy. All right. Okay, Vichy, I've got 1 tank, 1 fighter, and 4 1s. 4 1s, and you've got 3 2s. All right. Let me roll it. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4 hits. You got nothing. All right. All right. So Strat Bomber is going back to Germany. All right. This fighter is going to northern Italy. That's where you can go. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and declare Vichy. All right. So get rid of that. Get rid of that. 1 guy will stay with Vichy when I move out. Okay. So these are frozen. Fix the Vichy after that. All right. So Yugoslavia. Okay, Yugoslavia, you've got 5 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I have 3 tanks. Let's put them over here for now. 1, 2, 3 tanks. 3 tanks. And then I got 1, 2, 3 artillery. 1, 2, 3 cloned with 3 of the mechs. All right. That gives me the 1 other mech. And then 6, 7, 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That battle was a disaster. Oh, wait a minute, this fleet is gone. Oh. All right, so I need 5 hits, so I'll roll it right here. And I got plenty of hits. You get on me. You get 2 infantry. Delete. Delete. Delete that. That goes Germany. All right. Okay. Take that, that, that. All right. So for battles. All right. I moved into there. That goes to Germany, plus 4 guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And Finland goes to Germany. I move these 4 guys into Finland. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I got 8 there. Finland. All right. Move. Oh, transports are they? What are they? Oh, no transports on this one. I was thinking last game. Okay, 2 infantry. We'll go over to Normandy. Battleship and cruiser. And this sub will come here. Okay, this will stay there. All right, this one fighter had 2 left. We'll go into Western Berlin. Let's see, this infantry, 2, 3, 4 infantry will come over from Western Berlin. They will stay there. 2 artillery will move in there in Poland. So infantry will stay there with an AA. 1A will move to Poland. Okay, that'll be it for that. Yeah, I'll move on to Romania, and I'll move on to Slovakia. And I'll take one move into Berlin, and that's that. Should be everybody. Okay, that's everybody I can think of. This battle's done. Dice are done. That battle was disastrous. Is what it is. Have to live with it. These guys are all Vichy. 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 And Vichy. And we'll straighten this all out. I'll finish the rest up here after I'm done with my turn. Okay, so that's it. These 6 fighters that have 3 left will go back to Western. I mean, these techs, I got 4 techs. And the fighters will go here too. And of course, the one that's all by himself gets to go to Holland, Belgium. And if you're going to pick on them or whatever, it's up to you. You got the opportunity to. I can't do anything about it. Yeah, I can't do nothing about it. I can move an AA over. And from here, yeah, I'll rail an infantry, 2 infantry over there to help it out just in case. And Warsaw will have only 1 infantry. There we go. That'll work. No, I'll move 2. And then one of the bombers that was here, where it went, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll go here to Germany. One will be here. Yeah. And then I'll leave 3 in there, Germany. Okay. I think I got it set. What do I got? Get rid of these. And that's it. All right. On to Japan.